Ngayon po, balikan natin si dating Senador Joker Arroyo na nasa Makati. Magandang gabi ulit, Senator Arroyo.
Alright, Jessica.
Pasensya na po
Good
kayo.
evening.
Alam niyo yung mga
Medyo
satellite...
faint, but I'll try to answer and try to hear you.
Opo, alam niyo naman ho yung mga satellite signal tsaka yung mga telco signal, hindi ho natin hawak. So pasensya na ho kayo kung medyo naputol ho kayo kanina. But babalikan ko lang, kwinenta ko ho yung inyong pork barrel, no ho, na kung yung mga inallocate po sa inyo, kung sana nagamit ninyo. That's 70 million a year as congressman. 9 years po kayong naging congressman, 630 million. Nung senador po kayo, 11 years, that's 200 million pesos a year as senator.
12 years.
Yeah, 12 years. Okay. So that's almost 3 billion na hindi nyo po ginamit. Pakipaliwanag nyo nga ho, bakit yung iba nagkakandara pa, nag-aagawan sa pork barrel kung pwede lang, gusto nila mas malaki. Pero kayo, heto, ilang beses na elect as congressman and as senator, and yet you did not touch your pork barrel or your PDAF. Paano ba nangyari yon?
Well, nag-umpisa yan na I felt that I did not need it, you know. I just felt I did not need it. Pero I cannot say na ako separate or independent of the other senators because I think, personally, I think necessary yung PDAF. Hindi pwedeng no legislature in the world can exist without yung PDAF. Hindi tawag yung PDAF. That's a pork barrel. Sa US, mayroong pork barrel. Sa England, may pork barrel. Soviet Union, maski komunista, may pork barrel. All right. So ang tanong siguro, Jessica, you want to know kung bakit hindi ko why I don't use it.
Hindi nyo ginamit.
Ako mismo, I don't know, but I don't use it.
So, but you can
I just
prove.
thought na pwede akong I can continue as a legislator without using it.
Ayun. So, you're the lesson in itself. Kasi may debate ho ngayon kung dapat pa bang ipagpatuloy ang pork barrel, ganyang nagamit sa katiwalian at korupsyon. You are proof na pwedeng maging senador, pwedeng maging mambabata sa bansang ito nang walang pork barrel. Tama po, Senator?
Well, yes. Pero kursunada yan. Oo. Pero baka makalimutan ko. Hindi ko naman narinig yung
Kay Butch Abad?
Statement ni Secretary Abad. Pero papasalamat ako sa kanya kasi sinulatan ako niya na in plain language na I do not avail of the PDAF. Sulat niya yun. For that, I'm thankful to him. It's only on the other aspect that that is yung para kung I feel sorry na yung other statement niya is not I don't like it.
Oho, sabi ho niya kinuha daw nila kasi wala na yung pork barrel for that year, no? So kinuha na daw nila yung sa DAP. At tinanong ko ho siya na ayaw nyo dahil ayaw nyo nga yung pork barrel tapos sa DAP pa nila kinuha. Sabi niya, wala kaming choice kasi bawal na raw yung insertion. Ano ho reaction niyo doon, Senator?
Alam mo kasi, itong PDAF, it's criticized, no? It's no good. Pero there is a legal support. In other words, merong batas supporting that. Kaya disbursements are legal, although some critics may not like it. Okay? Pero itong DAP, ibang bagay ito. Walang legal authority to use that. That is the difference. Kaya ako, na-surprise ako na isinama ko dun sa listahan na nakatanggap ng DAP. Hindi ako nakatanggap ng DAP maski not even 1 centavo. I did not receive it although sinama ko dun sa listahan. Ngayon, ano ba nangyari doon? Yung binigyan ng mga 20 senators na DAP. That happened about in the month between October and December. All right. No. From August to siguro October 2012. Now, yung sa akin, binigay raw ng DAP in February of 2013. So question, bakit ako sinali dun sa listahan ng 2012? Wala naman ako up to now, wala naman ako natatanggap.
So, paano po yan?
Ito na nga, na, why was I given? I did not ask for that. Ang iningi ko, I wanted an amendment in the General Appropriations Act of for 2013 of 47 million. All right. The practice is that you tell the chairman, like Senator Drilon, was chairman of the Committee on Finance, na bigay sa kanya yung listahan ko. So I gave him the list. All along, I thought na it was passed. Ayun pala, hindi. Okay. So, in the month of February 2013, almost 4 or 5 months after yung distribute yung mga sa mga 20 senators, suddenly, sabi ko wala pa. So sumulat ako kay Senator Drilon. Parang something like this. No? Senator Drilon, I'm requesting for the release of my amendments in the 2013 budget. All right. Yan. One sentence.
Yes,
That,
I actually
okay.
have the letter here, Senator Arroyo. Nakakuha po kami ng
Alright,
kopya from the DBM. No? Tama ho kayo, yun ho sinabi nyo. 47 million of my 2012 amendment. So hindi ho ito PDAF? Hindi rin po ito dapat,
yes.
sabi ho ninyo. Amendments. And
Alright.
with the list,
Sinulatan ko siya.
Ospital at mga eskwelahan sa Bicol na binigyan niyo po ng tulong, including
Yes.
PGH, Lang Center for Indigents. No? Ito po yung letter ninyo. So you're saying, Senator, malinaw na hindi yan PDAF, hindi yan dapat, kundi amendments. Magkakaiba ho yun, tama po?
When I addressed the letter to Senator Drilon, I was addressing it to the Senate,
Okay.
to Congress. Because that originated from Congress. I did not address that to DAP. Hindi ko nga alam kung nasan yung DAP eh.
Opo.
And ito, kung hindi lang nahawakan ko itong earplug scope kasi ano yun. Yung, what is this? Yung authorization, releasing the monies, nakalagay doon na source of fund. The General Appropriations Act of 2012. So, in other words, ang source is the budget,
Budget.
not DAP.
Okay. Pero ito hong
Itong nangyari dito, bakit ba, I asked from the Congress, because they're the ones handling that eh. Hindi ka naman pwedeng makuha mo yun unless you write the chairman of the Senate Finance Committee,
Yes.
which was Senator Drilon, which I did. Pagkatapos, walang sagot, walang abiso or answer doon sa sulat ko, then lumabas itong listahan na itong ngayon nasa DAP. Kailan ba? September. It's almost 1 year. Pagkatapos lumabas, kasama na ako doon sa listahan. Ay, siyempre, I have to protest.
Yes. Ano pong gagawin
That is
nyo
the
ngayon,
picture.
Senator? Kasi I don't know if narinig nyo po yung explanation ni Secretary Abad kasi nga raw wala na ho
Ay,
yung
wala ko
insertion.
narinig doon sa ano eh.
Okay,
Wala ko narinig doon sa
ang explanation niya ho, talaga daw sa DAP nga daw ho dahil wala na silang ibang pagkukuhanan nung ni-request nyo. So what will you do now? Ito hong
Which is precisely ang diferensya, Jessica.
Yes.
Kung wala silang makukunan, they cannot resort to the DAP. Kung nalalaman kong DAP yun, hindi ko tatanggapin eh. Hindi ko nga tinatanggap yung PDAP. Bakit ako tatanggapin ko yung DAP? If I did not like PDAP, ay lalo na itong DAP na walang authority. And you ask every senator, walang alam din sa DAP eh.
Aha.
Ngayon lang nalalaman itong bagay, itong DAP na ito eh.
Aha. Kayo ho ba kumbinsido?
Every senator, every congressman knows about PDAP, but hindi yung DAP.
Opo. Kayo,
Kaya, I have not received anything from the DAP. I don't know kung bakit naman yung DAP ang nagbigay sa akin na hindi ko naman hinihingi sa DAP. Hinihingi ko from Congress na that is my amendment.
Opo.
So, why is it? Kaya ito nga, sabi ko, bad faith naman yung ginagawa niyan. And that is the other side of lament ko kay Secretary Abad. Kung bakit ako sinama niya doon sa listahan na paano kung kasama doon sa 20 senators that got received 20 million each from DAP. imagine, nagbigay sila ng between August and October. And pagkatapos ako binigyan, which I did not even know, in
Kayo
March
February.
of 2013.
March na po pala. Okay.
2013.
Oho. Pero so,
I did
Senator,
not know it, but ngayon ko lang nalaman na meron palang release na 2013. Then, nalaman ko lang kung saan ang source because ito nga, nagka-loko-loko ng yung about DAP na everybody is wondering how it happened. Alam mo the mystery of DAP is something that should really be investigated. Hindi ito pwedeng, yun naman yun.
Opo. Pero kayo po, Senator Arroyo, you're convinced that may kinalaman po itong perang ito, like you said in your previous interview sa media, no? Sa impeachment trial.
May pinalaman ng ano?
May kinalaman po lahat itong perang ni-release sa impeachment po ni Corona. Kumbinsido ho kayo doon?
Hindi naman ako, I cannot be judgmental in that. Hindi ako, I cannot pass judgment on that one. But here is one thing. During the height of the trial, almost 1 billion in PDAF was distributed to around 11 senators. In August to October na yung bang tapos na yung trial, ito nang lumabas yung DAP, which is about 1 billion pesos. All right. So, rilabas yun. Now, question, ang tanong mo, is it connected with the one of the impeachment? I did not say that. Ang nagsabi yan si Senator Jinggoy. Senator Jinggoy said something about 20 million each. Ako, I will not be so impertinent as to say na may connection ito dito. Ang reklamo ko is simply this. Itong DAP na ito, napaka-illegal ito. This should stop. You can imagine, na 72 billion raw in 2011 na DAP. Around 55 billion in 2012 yung DAP. It was spent by DBM. Question, by what authority did they spend it? Hindi pwede yun na basta gagastusin nila. Alam mo, when you spend money, yung public expenditures, you have always to have an authority. Hindi pwedeng, you can just spend it. You can imagine kung ganun ang practice. So in other words, pag may savings, pwede mong pambudbud maski kanino. Because sasabihin mo lang, it's under DAP. Well, you can imagine, 72 billion was spent in 2011. Well, ano ba yun? Sino mga binigyan yan? In 2012, around 55 billion. 1 billion of that was yung ibinigay sa mga senador. Malaking problema ito.
Okay.
Ngayon, narinig ko, yung Malacanang is saying na ito is allowed by the Constitution and the Administrative Code. Alam mo yung Constitution does not say that. Very clear. The President may augment. The word is augment, by law. In other words, may batas, may enabling law to authorize them to spend. Wala yung enabling law na yun. All right. Second line of defense, the administrative code raw. Alam mo, I was the executive secretary. That administrative code, nandiyan ang pirma ko. That was issued during the time of President Cory.
Senator,
it does not authorize them to expend that kind of money.
Sorry po,
no matter what they say.
Yes, may butt in po, Senator Arroyo, on that point. No? Kasi you're one of the many actually na you've gone full circle. Nasa laban kayo sa gobyerno nung araw, hanggang sa napunta kayo sa gobyerno, having served in the parang tatlo na rin all branches because madalas din kayong humaharap sa mga malalaking kaso, executive, legislative, and on the side, no, pati sa judiciary. You know the workings of the government. Now, how do you explain to an ordinary layman na alam niya mahirap ang buhay sa Pilipinas dahil wala halos siyang makain, wala siyang pampaaral ng anak, pero pag binuksan niya itong TV at napakinggan niya itong mga milyon-milyon, bilyones pa ngang pinag-uusapang pera, sabi niya, Bakit ganon? Ang dami palang pera ng ating bansa, pero bakit napakaraming mahirap katulad ko? Paano nyo ipapaliwanag ang lahat ng ito, Senator Arroyo?
Ay, siyempre, kung ako naman, if I were in the public, siyempre magreklamo ako, nasasabihin ko na kaya, bakit ganin yun? May 72 billion na it can be spent at will. Walang restrictions. In plain language, ano bang authority ng DBM to release that kind of money? Kaya kailangan dyan, there should be a mechanism how to spend that money. Ang PDAF may mechanism. Oh, it goes through a process. Itong DAP, walang batas nga ito eh.
Opo.
Oh. Nakakita ka naman bang money is spent na walang batas?
Okay.
And the Constitution and the Administrative Code na Malacanang depends on, it says also na there must be a law that gives them authority.
Okay. Senator
This is now the problem.
Senator Arroyo, pasensya na ho kayo kasi we have very limited time dito po sa State of the Nation, but hopefully we'll be able to talk again on a lot of issues sa ating pong lipunan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo at magandang
Thank you
gabi
very
po.
much, Jessica. It has been 6 years since I even appeared in your show.
Opo. Salamat po. Magandang gabi po.
Okay.